Hello, big and small friends from all over the world, and welcome to Live Discovery. My name's Yasin, and today we're going to play a little game with sounds. Hello again. Let's see what interesting, wonderful objects we have in this basket over here. Drum. What's next? Dog. Scissors. Rock. Ball. Pencil. Bag. Spoon. Ring. And finally, parsley. Let's put some of these objects back and just leave 3 out. Okay, let's play a game. I'm going to say the beginning sound of an object and the end sound of an object from these 3, and you just have to tell me which object I'm telling you the sounds of. I spy with my eyes something that begins with S and finishes on N. That's right, spoon. Okay, let's go again. I spy with my eyes something that begins with D and finishes on G. Dog. Yeah, dog. Let's replace the 3 objects with 3 new objects. Okay, I spy with my eyes something beginning with B and finishing on L. Ball. I spy with my eyes something beginning with P and finishing on E. That's right, parsley. I spy with my eyes something beginning with R and finishing on K. Rock. I spy with my eyes something beginning with S and finishing on S. Scissors. Okay, just one more time. I spy with my eyes something beginning with R and finishing on G. Ring. You can go around your house or outside around nature and find any objects that you can discover and play the sound games with them and see if you can figure out which sounds they begin with and which sounds they end with. Thank you for being with me today. We'll see each other next time, and until then, stay curious and keep discovering the world around you.